Are you ready to dive into some super tasty and easy lunch ideas? Today, we're exploring the sunny flavors of the Mediterranean with 5 awesome recipes perfect for beginners. We've got a Mediterranean chicken bowl that's packed with yummy goodies, a fresh and zesty Mediterranean tuna salad, a crunchy hummus and veggie sandwich, creamy Mediterranean hummus, and a light and flavorful Mediterranean couscous salad. These dishes are not only delicious, but also really good for you. So let's get ready to fill our lunchtime with amazing flavors and healthy ingredients that will make you feel great. These 5 beginner lunch recipes for the Mediterranean diet include Mediterranean chicken bowl. Looking for a filling and nutritious lunch? Try the Mediterranean chicken bowl. It's packed with grilled chicken, grains like brown rice or quinoa, and lots of fresh veggies like tomatoes and cucumbers. Plus, it has a tasty tzatziki sauce on top. It's a bowl full of flavors and healthy ingredients that will keep you energized all afternoon. Mediterranean tuna salad. Next up is the Mediterranean tuna salad. This isn't your ordinary tuna salad. It's a vibrant mix of tuna in olive oil, crunchy bell peppers, cucumbers, and zesty red onions with tangy olives and capers thrown in. Dressed with lemon juice and a sprinkle of oregano, it's a refreshing and light option that's both satisfying and delicious. Mediterranean hummus. Don't forget about the Mediterranean hummus. It's creamy, smooth, and perfect for dipping or spreading. Made with chickpeas, tahini, olive oil, and lemon, this hummus is a tasty and healthy addition to your lunch spread. Enjoy it with veggies, pita bread, or as a spread in your sandwiches or wraps. Hummus and veggie sandwich. For a quick and easy lunch, try the hummus and veggie sandwich. Spread some creamy hummus on whole grain bread and stack it with slices of cucumber, tomatoes, red onions, and fresh spinach. It's a simple, plant-powered sandwich that's bursting with freshness and flavor. Mediterranean couscous salad. Last but not least, the Mediterranean couscous salad is a must-try. This salad features fluffy couscous mixed with juicy tomatoes, crisp cucumbers, and herbs, all tossed with a lemony dressing. It's light yet fulfilling, making it an excellent choice for a refreshing lunch. Each of these recipes brings the sunny flavors of the Mediterranean to your table, perfect for a delicious and healthful lunch experience. So let's get started. Mediterranean chicken bowl recipe. This Mediterranean chicken bowl combines protein-packed chicken and wholesome grains with fresh veggies and tangy tzatziki for a nutritious and satisfying meal. Ingredients: 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 1 cup brown rice or quinoa, 1 cup cherry tomatoes, halved, 1 cucumber diced, 1 small red onion, thinly sliced, 1 2-cup Kalamata olives pitted, 1 cup tzatziki sauce, olive oil. Optional: lemon juice, fresh herbs, such as parsley or dill, for garnish. Instructions: prepare the chicken. Season the chicken breasts with salt, pepper, and a drizzle of olive oil. Grill the chicken over medium-high heat for 6-7 minutes per side, or until fully cooked and internal temperature reaches 165 degrees 75 degrees C. Let the chicken rest for a few minutes, then slice or chop into bite-sized pieces. Cook the rice or quinoa. Rinse the brown rice or quinoa under cold water. In a medium saucepan, combine 1 cup of brown rice or quinoa with 2 cups of water. Bring to a boil. Reduce heat to low, cover, and simmer for 35 minutes for brown rice or 15 minutes for quinoa, or until the liquid is absorbed and grains are tender. Remove from heat, let it sit covered for 5 minutes, then fluff with a fork. Prepare the vegetables. Wash and halve the cherry tomatoes. Peel and dice the cucumber and thinly slice the red onion. If the Kalamata olives are not pitted, remove the pits. Assemble the bowl. In serving bowls, start by placing a base layer of the cooked brown rice or quinoa. Arrange the grilled chicken, cherry tomatoes, diced cucumber, sliced red onion, and Kalamata olives over the grains. Add a generous dollop of tzatziki sauce on top of each bowl. Garnish and serve. Drizzle a little olive oil over each bowl and sprinkle with salt and pepper to taste. Garnish with fresh herbs and a squeeze of lemon juice if desired. Serve the Mediterranean chicken bowl immediately and enjoy. Mediterranean tuna salad. Recipe: this Mediterranean tuna salad is a vibrant mix of flavors, featuring tuna in olive oil, crisp bell peppers, red onions, cucumbers, tangy olives, and capers, all dressed with fresh lemon juice and aromatic oregano. Ideal as a light main course or a hearty side, it pairs beautifully with crusty bread or fresh greens, offering a taste of the Mediterranean in every bite. Ingredients: 2 cans of tuna in olive oil, drained, 1 bell pepper, any color, diced, 1 2 red onion, finely chopped, 1 cucumber diced, 1 4-cup olives, sliced, Kalamata or black olives, 2 tablespoons capers, rinsed and drained, juice of 1 lemon, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, extra virgin olive oil if needed. Instructions: prepare the ingredients. Drain the tuna and place it in a large mixing bowl. Dice the bell pepper, red onion, and cucumber. Slice the olives and rinse the capers. Combine the salad. Add the diced bell peppers, red onion, cucumber, olives, and capers to the bowl with the tuna. Season. Squeeze the lemon juice over the salad. Sprinkle dried oregano, salt, and pepper. Drizzle a bit more olive oil if needed for extra flavor and moisture. Mix. Gently toss all the ingredients until well combined and the salad is evenly seasoned. Serve. Enjoy the Mediterranean tuna salad immediately or chill in the refrigerator for 30 minutes to allow the flavors to meld together. Serve as a main dish with crusty bread or over a bed of fresh greens. Mediterranean hummus recipe. This recipe captures the essence of the Mediterranean diet, focusing on plant-based ingredients, healthy fats, and flavorful herbs and spices. Enjoy this classic hummus as part of a nutritious meal or a tasty snack. Ingredients: 1 can, 15 Oz chickpeas drained and rinsed, 1/4 cup fresh lemon juice, about 1 large lemon, 1/4 cup well-stirred tahini small garlic clove, minced, 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, plus more for serving, 1-2 teaspoon ground cumin, 2 to 3 tablespoons water, dash of ground paprika for serving. Instructions: blend tahini and lemon juice. In a food processor, combine the tahini and lemon juice. Process for 1 minute. Scrape the sides and bottom of the bowl, then process for another 30 seconds. This extra time helps to whip or cream the tahini, making the hummus smooth and creamy. Add ingredients. Add the olive oil, minced garlic, cumin, and a 1-2 teaspoon of salt to the whipped tahini and lemon juice. Process for 30 seconds, scrape the sides and bottom of the bowl, then process another 30 seconds or until well blended. Add chickpeas. Add half of the chickpeas to the food processor and process for 1 minute. Scrape sides and bottom of the bowl, then add the remaining chickpeas and process until thick and quite smooth, 1 to 2 minutes. If your hummus is too thick or still has tiny bits of chickpea, with the processor turned on, slowly add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water until you reach the perfect consistency. Serve. Transfer the hummus to a bowl, then drizzle about 1 tablespoon of olive oil over the top and sprinkle with paprika. Garnish. For a Mediterranean touch, garnish with chopped parsley, pine nuts, or Kalamata olives if desired. Serve. Enjoy your hummus with fresh vegetables, pita bread, or as a spread on sandwiches or wraps. Hummus and veggie sandwich recipe. The hummus and veggie sandwich is a delightful and nutritious lunch option that layers creamy hummus, crisp cucumber, juicy tomatoes, sharp red onions, and fresh spinach between slices of hearty whole grain bread. This sandwich is packed with fiber, vitamins, and healthy fats, making it a perfect choice for a quick and satisfying Mediterranean-inspired meal. Enjoy the blend of flavors and textures in this simple yet delicious sandwich. Ingredients: 2 slices of whole grain bread, 4 tablespoons hummus, 1-2 cucumber thinly sliced, 1 tomato thinly sliced, 1-4 red onion thinly sliced, handful of fresh spinach leaves. Instructions: prepare the ingredients. Start by washing your vegetables. Thinly slice the cucumber, tomato, and red onion. Set aside. Spread the hummus. Take your whole grain bread slices and spread 2 tablespoons of hummus evenly on each slice. Layer the veggies. On 1 slice of bread, layer the sliced cucumber, tomato, and red onion. Add a generous amount of fresh spinach leaves on top. Assemble the sandwich. Place the other slice of bread, hummus side down, on top of the spinach leaves to complete the sandwich. Serve. Cut the sandwich in half if desired and serve immediately. Enjoy your fresh and healthy hummus and veggie sandwich. Mediterranean Couscous salad recipe. This refreshing couscous salad is a vibrant, healthy dish perfect for a quick lunch, a side at dinner, or a potluck contribution. Its fresh flavors and simplicity make it a favorite for any Mediterranean diet meal plan. Ingredients: uncupped couscous, 1/4 cups, water or vegetable broth, 1 cucumber diced, 1 cup cherry tomatoes halved, 1/4 cup fresh parsley chopped, 1/4 cup fresh mint chopped, 1/2 cup feta cheese crumbled, 3 tablespoons olive oil, juice of 1 lemon. Instructions: cook the couscous. Bring the water to a boil in a medium saucepan. Add the couscous, stir once, and remove from heat. Cover and let sit for 5 minutes or until the liquid is absorbed. Fluff the couscous with a fork and transfer it to a large mixing bowl to cool. Prepare the vegetables and herbs. Wash and dice the cucumber, halve the cherry tomatoes, and finely chop the parsley and mint. Make the dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together the olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper to create the dressing. Combine the salad, add the diced cucumber, cherry tomatoes, chopped parsley, and mint to the cooled couscous. Pour the dressing over the salad and mix well to combine. Add feta cheese. Gently fold the crumbled feta cheese into the salad. Season and serve. Taste the salad and adjust the seasoning with more salt, pepper, or lemon juice as needed. Serve the couscous salad chilled or at room temperature, garnished with additional herbs or lemon wedges if desired. These 5 super simple and delicious Mediterranean lunch recipes that are perfect for beginners. From the hearty Mediterranean chicken bowl to the light and refreshing Mediterranean couscous salad, these meals are sure to bring a taste of the Mediterranean to your table. So why wait? Start making these tasty lunches today and enjoy a healthy, flavorful journey with every bite.